Imagine a world where fabric flaws vanish and unique design ideas materialize from thin air. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Welcome to the reality of the textile industry, revolutionized by artificial intelligence. Take the case of the globally renowned textile firm, Fabric Innovations, Inc. Once plagued by manual inspections prone to human error, they found their savior in AI. AI-powered machines now scan their fabric, spotting the tiniest of flaws with an accuracy that surpasses the human eye. This not only eliminates waste, but also ensures a perfect product reaches the customer. But that's not all. In the design department, AI has taken creativity to an unprecedented level. Remember the stunning abstract patterns on their summer collection last year? Yes, those were the brainchild of AI. Artificial intelligence algorithms trained on thousands of patterns now generate unique and eye-catching designs. The AI doesn't just mimic existing designs, it creates, it innovates. These AI-powered design tools have also democratized the design process. You don't need to be a seasoned designer to create stunning patterns. All you need is an idea, and AI will bring it to life. Let's not forget the speed and efficiency that AI brings to the table. Design ideas come to life in minutes, not days. Fabric inspection becomes a swift, seamless process. This translates to faster production times and quicker deliveries, delighting customers and boosting the bottom line. So, what have we learned today? AI has revolutionized the textile industry, transforming fabric inspection and design. It has enhanced accuracy, spurred creativity, and accelerated production. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more astounding innovations in the textile world. So the next time you marvel at the flawless finish of a fabric or the unique design of a dress, remember, there's a good chance AI had a hand in it.